So I'm at my daughter's house and I noticed that her favorite cup, the one she gave my mom, was broken. And I said, "What happened to the cup?" She said, "Oh, they broke it and threw it away. They thought it was yours, so it was no big deal. So you thought it was mine, and that makes it no big deal." So she told him, "No, that was grandma's. Where'd you throw it? Go get it." So she made the person retrieve it from the trash. I put it together like this. It's missing a piece there, and there's a couple of missing spots there. I'm going to take it and put some miliput in these little crevices as close as I can to get a smooth surface, and from where those little obvious gaps are, I'm going to put the miliput on the back, smooth it out, put it on my cup turner, and see if I can restore this to as perfect as I could get it, so that way she will always have it, because that was her favorite cup that belonged to my mom. So yeah, but the nerve of people. I'm not gonna mention names, but yeah, rather disappointing individual as it is. So let me see what I could do to fix this. And this is what I have now. I used the baking soda and CA method, and yeah, I built this part back up so there's no longer a gap, and then I filed it down with a nail file. And then the only thing I have to do after that, after I do a little more filing with the nail file, is wash it off with some plain old everyday water, because baking soda dissolves in water. That's the inside. I don't think I'm going to do anything to the inside other than, you know, give it a good wash. But yeah. Let's see if I get this camera where you can actually see. On the part that's got the gold leaf on it, fortunately, gold leaf, if you put any kind of clear gloss on it, will in fact shine right back up to the same level that it was when you made whatever. So yeah, so the crack is nearly invisible. I could feel it. If you look real close, you can see it because of the baking soda being right there. Now I'm just going to concentrate on these areas here, and yeah, I'll bring you back. And that's nearly the finished result. You could barely see that crack. It's got to be rinsed. But just when I got it all nice and smooth, I seen a crack right here. So that's going to be next. That crack didn't go all the way through. I did smooth out the inside a little bit. So basically, I'm just going to put a little bit more there and then smooth it down same way. But yeah. And maybe give it a glaze. I'm definitely going to put it on my cup turner when I get home, so that way I can make sure that it's watertight and everything. She says she's not going to use it for anything other than sentimental value and to just have it. But just in case she ever forgets, it'll be safe to use because there'll be no cracks, no leaks, none of that. It's been People of 7. And here's how it looks now. I got every crack, every gap, I'm coming, dear. Built it up. And I'm going to put on my cup turner when I get it home, so that way I can smooth all of that out and it'll look good as new, except for where the gaps or the flowers are. Fortunately, the glaze is over the design, so I could file that even smoother and not have to worry about messing up the design. Yep, this has been People 7.